Hey tubers, welcome back for another adventure. And unfortunately Big Red has a bit of a problem. This problem's been coming on for a while. I put an 8 amp hour battery in it. It really should have a 12 amp hour battery. I put a battery in it that physically and power wise is just too small. So let me show you how we're going to fix it. One would just say, oh, slam another battery in there. Yes, but something first. Before I put any battery into service, I like to bring it in the house, have it warm up to room temperature, and get it fully charged. I don't know how long this has been sitting. Quite honestly, that's telling me it's about half charged. So I don't know how long it's been sitting, in the box, on the shelf, wherever else. So I just like to do that. That gets me the most life out of a battery. So it only took about 15 minutes to charge up. You can see this is turned green. By the way, I'm going with a 12 amp hour battery, and hopefully this gets the FourTrax 300 starting easily. First crank starts again. So here's the battery. It lives right behind the seat, behind and below, and we put a meter on it. Quite honestly, it's testing about to where it should be. This is off, lights on, and it's still holding. So though this battery might not be good enough to turn this thing over, it might be better with one of the others. Moving the old battery, piece of cake, right? 10 millimeter. Right, just I start off with the negative, that way if you short against something there shouldn't be a problem. And then do the positive. The old battery slipped right out and the new one slipped right in. I was careful about buying the one that was actually recommended for this thing. I didn't go cheap. Pay attention to what's red and what's not red, and hook up the wires properly, and this thing will be ready for a start. New batteries installed. These things are nice and tight. I'll pull that boot over. All that's left is a cold start and a check to make sure the voltage is proper. Okay, let's see if she's going to start. On, choke. Whoa. Pop popper. Check the voltage on the battery and make sure it's good, and we'll call it a day. There we are, 14 volts, right? Obviously comes in at about 12 or 13 when it's not charging. Probably gonna lights on. So I'm happy. When I put it in here, it was fully charged. I warmed it up and charged it completely. So I don't have to worry about, I started it and I took a little out of it. Now, I didn't ride it all that long, so, it's a little weak. The other battery, the one I took out, was a wet type battery. This is a gel cell. One of the cells was a little low on water, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that up with DI water, warm it up, charge it overnight, and see if I get a few more amps out of it tomorrow, at least enough start some of the smaller bikes. Anyway, you know, it always takes longer to do everything in the winter. I'm glad I got this done. Right, I like to be able to use this thing when I need it without having to drag it out of the shed, put a jump pack on it, get it started, installed, I got to put the jump pack on it again or get it started, right? It's just so much easier to open the doors, turn the key, and drive it out. I want to thank everybody for dropping by to watch and comment and subscribe. Let's remember to keep our feet down, our heads up, and to get out and enjoy each and every day. Bye now.